Hello and welcome to another how-to video from the Infor OS how-to video series. Today we'll be going over how to use the data lake to IDO Wizards. The data lake to IDO Wizards build and utilizes IDOs on top of the data lake objects using data lake APIs, all done in the backend, and is validated using Ion API with SSO and is accessible through a runtime builder. Now let's go through a quick demo. Now in Mongoose, let's go ahead and open up the runtime builder. In categories, we'll select the new data. In runtime builder, we'll select the data lake to IDO Wizard. Now that the wizard is open, let's go ahead and select the dropdown. Now this dropdown is populated all via Ion API with SSO, and it's pulling all the objects out of data lake. So now for this demo, we're going to be using orders. And just to make sure this is the right orders table, we're going to go ahead and hit object properties just to view all the properties that will be coming with this IDO. Since this is the right one, we're going to hit return and hit next. Now here we'll just give it an IDO name. This is what you will see in your IDOs table. We're just going to call it DL orders, just give it a caption, and then we're going to select our project. And once we're done, we're just going to hit finish. This will go ahead and compile our IDO. From here we can also hit properties, and then we can see all the properties that we saw before in the wizard, just to make sure everything came through correctly. You can also see the methods. This is the method that will go out and grab the data from data lake for the specific object that you selected. Now let's go over to design mode. First we're going to unload our cache just to make sure everything is dumped. Then we're going to go ahead and go to definition, new, and then create our form on top of the IDO we just created. So for this case, we're going to use classic and multi-view. And then we're going to give it the form name. In our case, we're just going to use the exact object name that we provided it just to keep it simple. Now once we're done, we're just going to hit next. And all of our properties are there, which is correct. We're just going to hit next again. Now here you can also see that all the captions are already preset for you from the IDO. And then we're just going to hit next and finish. This will build our form. We're just going to save it once, and we're going to change the initial command to refresh. We're just going to save one more time. Now we're just going to go to form, definition, and unload to make sure all our form changes are saved. Now we're heading back into runtime mode. From here we're just going to close out everything, and then we're going to go definition and unload again just to make sure all our changes are unloaded. And we're going to go ahead and open up our form. And because we set our initial command to be refresh, our form is going out and calling the IDO method that's tied to the IDO. And it is grabbing all the data from data lake and then passing it back to the form. It's doing all the parsing in the background, and it will automatically populate all the properties as soon as the data set comes back. This concludes the data lake to IDO Wizard. Please feel free to check out other videos, and for more information visit the Mongoose portal at mongoose.infor.com.